Hello everyone, my name is Shikhar. I'm a developer from India, and this is my project called HatcheryDAO. So what is HatcheryDAO? HatcheryDAO is a token-gated startup incubator platform where people will come as startups or investors. Startups will be able to raise funds, and investors will be able to invest as minimum or as maximum as they want. It's also a data exchange where people will be able to buy and sell the critical data like profit statement, balance sheet, or a ledger, or any other document which is important prior from the people outside the DAO. So these are some of the features of the DAO, like we only deals in the soul-bound token. There is no entry barrier for the startup. Like anyone with the startup NFT will be able to post about their startups. Buying and selling happens encryptedly. So in case if you lost your data, then other people won't be able to see that. We also provide some facilities like private and public meetings. Like if you want to pitch about your startup to the public, you can also do that as well. But if you want to set up a private meeting with the startup owner, then there's a feature for that as well. All your assets will be private and other people won't be able to see that. So how the DAO is making money? Currently, the DAO is making money from three ways, like by selling the soul-bound NFTs, by the commission from the investment, like currently it's 10%, but if the DAO wants to change it, then we can also do that as well. We also earn commission between the data exchanges, currently at 5%. How it's benefiting the ecosystem. So it's encouraging more and more people to invest in the Filecoins, and it's also helping the startup owners to build their ecosystem around the Filecoin networks. Like it's also ensuring people about their data safety on the Filecoin, and some future implementations like tests will push more and more devs to build around the Filecoin. So coming onto the website here, you'll be able to find some basic details like what is HatcheryDAO, with this for reasons and some future implementations. The first thing you have to do is to buy an NFT. For the sake of video, I'll buy both of them. Once you have bought the token, it will be displayed like this. The second thing you can do is post about your startup. So after clicking this, there's a button to post about your startup. You have to fill your basic details and submit the transactions. Once you have posted about your data, you can also do some edits on them if you want. You just have to refresh this and you will be able to see all your data here. All the startups that are posted can be seen in the all startup page. Here you can see some basic details about the startup, like their name and the number of investors that has invested. Once you expand this startup, you will be able to see all the things. Here you will able to set up a private meeting with the startup owner if you want. If you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see an option of invest. You just have to put any amount that you want to invest. If you want, you can also set some meeting by clicking this. Here you can see you can set up a private meeting with the startup owner as well. So if you want to pitch about your startup to the public, you can also do that in the public deck. Here you can also participate in the data exchange as well. Once you visit the data exchange site, you will be able to post about the data exchanges here. After filling the details, once you click the encrypt and upload, it will encrypt the data. And once it's done, you will be able to see your data here. You can see here's our data and you can buy it as well. Once you have bought the data, you can see all that in the asset section. If you want to view this file, you just have to decrypt it. Once it's decrypted, here you will be able to see the option of view file, and voila, you can see the file. That's all about the project. Hope you liked it.